All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash, Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 28th, 2025, on this Friday morning. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. You had a 2.5 earthquake recorded 14 kilometers west of Jonesburg, California. 5.0 earthquake recorded in southern mid-Atlantic ridge. You had a 2.8 earthquake in 92 kilometers southeast of Pope Valley Landing, Alaska. 3.0 earthquake recorded 10 kilometers southwest of Idly, Wild, California. 3.0 earthquake recorded 4 kilometers northeast of Round Valley, California. Then you had a 2.7 earthquake recorded 133 kilometers northeast of Pontia Cana of Dominican Republic. Then you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded 81 kilometers southwest of Stochia, Bolivia. 2.5 earthquake recorded 2 kilometers south of Puerto Rico. 2.5 earthquake recorded 2 kilometers northeast of Balcoidia, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake recorded 209 kilometers east to southeast of Savaria, Croatia, Russia. Then you had a 5.2 earthquake recorded Kupian Balbur of Indonesia. Then you had a 3.4 earthquake recorded 10 kilometers southeast of Peachland, Canada. Then you had a 4.9 earthquake recorded 115 kilometers west of Albria, Pampa of Argentina. So those was the latest earthquakes as of November the 28th, 2025 on this Friday morning. And this is the Gospel of Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights of great signs shall be in heaven." Right, so we're going to be seeing these increasing of earthquakes in diverse places, in various places, and earthquakes in diverse places. And that's where we continue to see increase. And that's going to be the more visitation from the Heavenly Father of Him visiting the earth with these uptick of earthquakes in diverse places, right along with the famines and pestilence and fearful sights of great signs shall be in heaven. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 28th, 2025, this Friday morning. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, lost Wakadash tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Till next time, I will say Shalom.